Hi, in this tutorial I will teach you about lines and curves. So many more lines are here, and if you go to create, go to curve tool, and these all are related to lines and curves. Click at here top, so uh, you can use this as side and first is CV curve tool and EP curve tool, Bezier curve tool, pencil curve tool, 3-point circular ARC, 2-point circular ARC. These are different method of creating lines. First is CV curve tool. If I click on this button and reset tool, now 3 cubic selected and multiple and cannot selected. I am creating lines, one line, two line, three line. After three click, it will make smooth like this, and I am undoing this. Control Z. Again see one line, two line, three line. After that it will smooth. So this is CV curve tool. I am undoing it this. Now click on one linear, select 1, 2, 3, but it will not smooth. It will straight every line and every point called vertex. So one linear is single line, single curve, and click on 2, click 1 and 2. After 2 it will smooth like this, and handles are also here. Undo and 3 Bezier, 1, 2, 3, like this. It will make Bezier after 3 click. So it is like this. Bezier is like smooth curves like this, and click on here. It will completed, and select this and delete this. Now close this. Now this is EP curve tool. Select this and reset tool. Now click on CV curve tool. You can create this as pen tool of Photoshop. So now, so using this tool, you can create a smooth shape like this, but you need practice on the line creating lines, and one linear, click, same as that. EP curve tool, undo, and 2, 1, 2, 3. After 2 it will be smooth. So undo. Line is very helpful for making shape. After shape you will create as you want model. Bezier curve tool. Bezier curve tool looks like 100% Photoshop. It looks like this, and smooth. You can click and drag every line will be smooth, every curve is smooth. So this is very good, and this is important tool. I am selecting and deleting this, close this. So pencil curve tool, click on here, reset tool. Pencil looks like this, pencil. So curve will be create like a pencil. So here are many more options for making lines and curves. Now other is 3 point circular arc. It will create arc. Click on this button and reset tool. 1, 2, 3. So it will create arc like this. Circle will be create in between 3 points. 1, 2, 3. See this arc, and I am deleting this. So you can use arc anywhere like semi-circle and 2 point circular arc. Click on this reset tool and click 1, 2, only 2 points, 1, 2, only 2 points have curve, 1, 2, 1, 2, see the curve, looks like this. Now I am undoing this and click close that, and I am coming on CV curve tool, go to here and reset tool 3 cubic, and I am making line, and go to this move tool, right click and go to curve point. So you can add points on here, press shift key. Also you can uh, click and add some point or vertex. So this is like this. Now select this and right click, and this is control vertex. So you can control any vertex like this and like this. You can move vertex and change the shape of line like this and like this, and also right click and curve point and control vertex. You know control vertex, and this is object mode. So this is now object mode. Now one thing is, go to select and yes, the display, go to display, go to nerves and custom, click it here, and you should on 3 points, these 3 points, apply and close. So you can see all the options of vertex and lines. So you can edit like this, like control vertex, like this, and this is outer line. You can adjust line from this. Now other thing, I am closing this line with object mode, deleting and close this, and go to edit And now I am creating a line from CV curve like this, and go to edit and duplicate special, go to here and reset this, edit, reset setting, and scale -1, apply. This is other side. Now I am undo and enter. Now I am deleting this, select this, and from this side, this axis -1, apply. This will apply, but not seeing. I am doing -1 at here, apply, but this is not good. Apply and select this, delete, delete, select this, and scale -1, apply, or deleting this, select this, and -1, duplicate special. Now I have to rotate this because it is not set. So this is the option. Now I want to attach these two lines. Select both lines and go to curve and attach. Click on this button. Go to edit and reset setting and attach. So this is attached, but I am undoing this. Go to curves again and attach. Keep originals, deselect keep originals, reset settings, keep original, deselect should be deselect. Now attach. So see the attached line like this. Now this line is not good. I am deleting this and making other line like this, and again I have to make duplicate special and rotate it like this, and select both lines, go to curve, attach, edit, reset, reset settings, keep originals, and apply. See the result. Attach, both lines are attached. Now close this, but this is not attached. It should be doing close. So select these lines and go to curve and go to open close, go to edit and reset setting and apply. See the result. This is completed line. So you have to first attach line, after that close. So a line will be closed. And if you want detach this line in two parts, so go to right click and curve point, one point here, and with shift key 1 point here, and go to curve, go to detach, And reset setting, if you want keep original, so you can take this. Now apply, now close. See the two lines are detached. This one and this one are detached. Now if you want to extend any line, any point, this is start point, this is end point. So go to curve and extend curve, edit and reset and apply. See this line, this is extend because end is selected. This is start point, this is end point. Again apply. It will be extend. And now start, apply. Start point will be extend. Now I am deleting this and creating some other object like box. I am scaling it. This is not good. One side is has been selected. I am deleting this and creating a curve, CV curve tool like this, and create this line, and after that go to curve and uh, offset curve. You can duplicate a line around this line, edit and reset setting and apply. Now make this more, apply, undo. I am making other line like this, and now go to curve and offset, go to reset setting and apply. See the second line is around old line, so you can duplicate the line and offset line. Offset values are here. You can change value and set this as you wish. Now I am deleting this line and uh, click on this and go to surface and revolve. You can revolve this and reset setting and now x y z value. I am on y value, apply. So this looks like this, undo, x, apply. See the object, you can revolve this object, looks like this, and this is more important. Now z, apply, it's look like this on z axis. So this is revolve. So in this tutorial, in this lecture, many more option about lines and curves. You have to see this lecture two times, so you will be understand better. So now I am closing this lecture. Thanks.